Hey guys, it's day 2 in New Jersey, and today we're going to be doing some grilled branzinos, grilled onions, lemons, and a cilantro and asparagus slaw. I have my beautiful branzino that I have scored, and this has been marinating since this morning. So I just pat it dry, and then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil before I put it on the grill, just for it not to stick. So the grill is nice and hot. We're just going to put our fish. So I have my onions that I sliced because this is going directly to the grill. I'm just going to put it in this leftover fish seasoning just to soak up some of this flavor. Also going to slightly season the onions with a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt right before going to the grill. Lemons, well, the fish is almost done. We're just going to make a quick slaw. So I have some blanched asparagus. I add in some cilantro. Now going to add some salt, black pepper, and a little bit of lemon juice. And just give this a little toss. This a little mix. And this is going to accompany our fish and onions. So it's all done. Let's start plating. I'm just going to put a little bit of the onions right to the bottom of the plate. Kind of spread it around, making a nice bed for our fish. Then we're going to put some lemon slices. Beautiful. On our fish. Just gonna get one lemon slice right on top of the fish, and lunch is done.